Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm going to make fried chicken sandwich. On the news, I've been hearing a lot about Popeyes chicken sandwich and how it's sold out. So, as a result, I want to make my own. For this recipe, you're going to need all-purpose flour, lemon juice, yogurt, buttermilk, chicken thigh, salt, cayenne, garlic powder, black pepper, parmesan cheese, dill, and my favorite bun, brioche. My first step is to prepare my buttermilk. To make the buttermilk mixture, first I have to put buttermilk, salt, cayenne, and pepper. And then now you gotta mix it. Once you've mixed it, you gotta put in your chicken thighs. Now that my chicken's in the buttermilk, I have covered my bowl with plastic wrap and I'm going to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. While my chicken is in the refrigerator, I'm going to start making my yogurt mixture. First, I'm going to put some garlic powder into the yogurt, then lemon juice, then Parmesan cheese, and finally some dill. And now you got to mix it. Once you're done mixing it, you're going to have to put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Earlier, I made a batch of chicken. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for an hour. Once your chicken's ready, you're going to start preheating your oil. Now I'm going to make my coating. First, I'm going to put flour, then salt, then garlic powder, and finally, cayenne. Now you gotta mix it well. Once you've mixed it well, you're gonna put your chicken in it. Now you're gonna fry it. You're going to want to fry these until golden brown. You're going to take them out once they turn all golden brown on each side. When my chicken's done, I'm going to start plating it. I'm going to take my chicken and I'm going to put it on the bun and put a little bit of our yogurt sauce and put the other bun on. Now I'm going to plate it. I'm going to plate it with ketchup, my yogurt sauce, and my chicken. I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make fried chicken sandwich like Popeyes, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.